In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Instagram, a vital step for anyone wanting to expand their e-commerce reach into the vibrant world of social media. Integrating Shopify with Instagram is an incredibly effective way to showcase your products and attract new customers right where they spend a lot of their time. So, let's dive in and explore how you can seamlessly bring these two platforms together to enhance your business. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage everything related to your Shopify store, from your product listings to your sales data and customer interactions. Once you're there, look towards the bottom left of the page, where you'll find the Settings option. Click on Settings to open up a new menu with a variety of options for configuring your store and your account. Next, from within the Settings menu, you're going to want to find and select Apps and Sales Channels. This section is crucial as it allows you to manage all the apps and sales channels currently connected to your store. Adding new sales channels can significantly enhance your store's reach, allowing you to connect with more potential customers across different platforms. Now, once you're in the Apps and Sales Channels section, you'll notice an option to add a sales channel. It's usually a button marked Add Sales Channel. Go ahead and click it. This action will present you with a list of various sales channels you can add to your Shopify store. Each of these offers unique benefits, but today, our focus is on integrating with Instagram. To do that, you're going to select Facebook and Instagram by Meta. This app allows you to manage both your Facebook and Instagram sales from one convenient location within Shopify. With Facebook and Instagram by Meta selected, you'll need to follow the prompts to officially connect your accounts. The app will guide you through logging into your Facebook account and selecting the corresponding Instagram account. If you haven't already, make sure both your Facebook and Instagram accounts are converted to business accounts to ensure they can be properly linked. So, there you have it. A straightforward process to bridge your Shopify store with Instagram. As you work through this integration, make sure you have your branding consistent across platforms and explore the ways Instagram's visual appeal can amplify your product offerings. Once your accounts are synchronized, you'll be ready to start tagging products directly in your Instagram posts, making it easier than ever for customers to find and purchase your products. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!